So here's the situation. We have a aftermarket 2012 Amazon headlight. Don't know the model, but the signal lights, which is amber or that color, it won't fit given this original O-ring in there. It just fit as in like it's really flimsy. It just wobbles all over the place. So what we did was we went to my dad's O-ring collection, and this is like a lifetime of collection. We found this O-ring, and was there a package number in this thing? 65B3718. Anyways, you're probably not going to find this kit because it's in the middle of nowhere. And so we put this on the right side, and it was like a snug fit, like really snug. Like you're gonna have a difficult time taking it out if you're through here, but it does fit, and I don't have to use any glue. So that's what I'm gonna do, or maybe put some like marine grease or not lithium, but the other grease, dielectric grease, something safe for rubber, and make it slippery so you can take it off easy. And that's it. Risk her out. So when you buy these aftermarket stuff, there's different grades of them. So when you go for a cheap grade, things just don't fit right. If you go like more closer to professional aftermarket stuff, then it's gonna fit better. But the question is, how original is the car? So at least if you get this good, then you know the standard is on the car, not on this. Now, if you get into a fender bender and whoever fixes this is out of standard, and then you buy another out of standard, you're just playing with out of standard. So I don't know which one is the better of the evils you want to have less of. But we're good at this moment.